Hey car lovers, buckle up, because today we're diving into the world of the safest cars on the planet in 2025. Yep, the vehicles that don't just get you from A to B, they practically hug you the entire way, make sure you don't even think about hitting anything, and some even come with enough airbags to make you feel like you're in a marshmallow cloud. Now, before we get started, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't yet, and let me know in the comments what's the most ridiculous safety feature you've seen in a car. Spoiler, you'll see a few today that will blow your mind. All right, let's start the countdown from number 30 and work our way up to the absolute safest rides you can buy this year. Starting at number 30, the Hyundai Sonata, a family sedan that proves you don't need a six-figure budget to be safe, lane keeping, blind spot detection, and adaptive cruise control. Basically, a second pair of eyes riding shotgun. And the best part? You can still use it to pick up groceries, run errands, or impress your mother-in-law, all while staying as safe as a tank, with slightly better gas mileage. At 29, the Honda Civic hatchback. Remember that Civic you saw in high school? It's back and smarter than ever. Collision mitigation, adaptive cruise, road departure mitigation. It's like your car went to finishing school and learned to save your life politely. Also, hatchback lovers rejoice. More cargo space, more safety, same Civic charm. You can haul your luggage, groceries, or even that weird inflatable flamingo you bought online safely. Number 28, the Mazda CX-90. Safety meets style. This SUV doesn't just protect you, it looks good doing it. Strong chassis, airbags galore, and smart sensors that almost feel psychic. Almost. Driving the CX-90 is like hugging your loved ones while cruising in style. Warning, may induce spontaneous compliments from pedestrians. The Toyota Camry at 27. Reliable, safe, and boring in the best possible way. Toyota Safety Sense is like a virtual chauffeur who's obsessed with not letting you hit anything. Fun fact, statistically, Camry owners are slightly less likely to stress about minor accidents. Science? Maybe. Common sense? Definitely. Number 26, Hyundai Ioniq 5, the electric marvel. Not only does it keep you safe, it's eco-friendly too. Forward collision avoidance, pedestrian detection, lane assist. Basically, it's an electric guardian angel. And yes, you can save the planet while simultaneously saving yourself from a fender bender. Multitasking at its finest. Number 25, Honda CR-V, reliable SUV, probably in your neighbor's driveway. The 2025 model, next level. Collision mitigation, lane keeping assist, more airbags than a bouncy castle. If SUVs were superheroes, the CR-V would be the Clark Kent of safety, quiet, dependable, and always there when you need it. Number 24, Kia Telluride. Huge, safe, stylish. It's basically a tank you actually want to drive. Adaptive cruise, lane following, blind spot monitoring, you name it. Also, it can fit your whole family, plus the dog, plus that awkward neighbor you promised to ride, all while keeping everyone safe. At 23, Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. It's not just fuel efficient, it's packed with safety tech. Forward collision warning, driver attention monitoring, and a chassis built like it's got trust issues. Basically, it's your eco-friendly bodyguard that also saves money at the pump. Number 22, Mercedes-Benz E-Class. Luxury meets safety. Lane assist, adaptive braking, airbag systems you'd have to see to believe. It's like driving a 5-star hotel that protects you from bad drivers. And yes, It's classy enough that you'll look cool while avoiding collisions. Safety doesn't have to be boring, folks. Number 21, Volvo XC90. If safety were a religion, Volvo would be the Pope. Strong frame, airbags everywhere, pedestrian detection, automatic emergency braking. You get the idea. This car is basically a moving fortress with Scandinavian design. You'll feel safe, stylish, and slightly smug all at once. Number 20, Genesis G Box 70. Luxury SUV with high crash test scores and tech-packed safety systems. Lane following, collision mitigation, and more sensors than a NASA spacecraft. Driving this is basically like having a co-pilot who's obsessed with keeping you alive. And yes, it looks gorgeous while doing it. Number 19, Tesla Model 3. Love it or hate it, Tesla's autopilot features make it one of the safest cars out there. Full suite of sensors, automatic emergency braking, collision warnings. Basically, it's like a guardian angel in electric form. Plus, it's fast, fun, and techy. You're safe and cool. That's a rare combo. Number 18, Subaru Outback. This rugged all-wheel drive wagon is basically a Swiss Army knife on wheels. Standard eyesight safety tech, lane keeping, adaptive cruise, and a frame built to handle more than just small bumps. It's perfect for families, adventurers, or anyone who likes staying alive off-road, safely of course. Number 17, Ford Mustang Mach-E. Electric, fast, safe. Advanced driver assist systems, automatic emergency braking, and lane keeping all come standard. It's like a sports car and a safety bubble had a baby. And yes, it's ridiculously fun to drive too. Number 16, Audi A8L Security. This is where luxury meets serious security. Armored options, ballistic protection, advanced sensors. You basically get a limo that can survive a zombie apocalypse. Ideal for executives or anyone who wants to feel like James Bond while stuck in traffic. Number 15, BMW 7 Series Protection. Another luxury armored car with all the tech you could dream of and more airbags than you knew existed. It's elegant, deadly safe, and perfect for anyone who wants their chauffeur to feel like a bodyguard. Number 14, Rolls-Royce Phantom Security Edition. Bulletproof glass, armored body, all the luxury you can imagine. This car doesn't just protect you, it whispers, "I've got this," while cruising down the highway. Driving it is like owning a personal fortress that also doubles as a party on wheels. Number 13, the Beast. Yes, the President's Limo. It's basically a small tank disguised as a car, with armor, bulletproof glass, and more security systems than a NASA launch pad. If you're feeling paranoid about traffic, just remember, this is what the US government trusts. And honestly, you probably should too. Number 12, Rivian R1T. Electric pickup, adventure ready, and loaded with safety tech. It's got collision avoidance, adaptive cruise, and all-wheel drive that keeps you safe on any terrain. Basically, it's an electric tank that's also fun to drive. Your camping trip just got upgraded. Number 11, Mercedes-Benz S-Class Guard. Luxury armored sedan with advanced safety and defensive systems. It's quiet, classy, and completely untouchable. It's perfect if you want elegance, comfort, and the ability to survive whatever the world throws at you. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, our top 10 safest cars of 2025. These vehicles don't just protect, they practically make sure you never have an accident in the first place. Number 10, Tesla Model X. Falcon wing doors, full autopilot, and the safest SUV in its class. Number 9, Volvo XC60. Volvo's midsize SUV continues the tradition of extreme safety with tech that predicts crashes before they happen. Number 8, Subaru Forester. Eyesight system, stellar crash tests, and AWD confidence. Number 7, Hyundai Palisade. Big SUV, big safety, lots of tech to keep everyone alive. Number 6, Kia Carnival. Minivan of the future. 8 airbags, lane assist, blind spot detection, and yes, you can fit your whole soccer team inside. Number 5, Genesis G80. Luxury and safety collide. High crash scores and every driver assist feature you can imagine. Number 4, Mercedes-Benz EQS. Electric luxury with advanced active safety and driver assistance tech. Number 3, BMW iX. EV, high-tech sensors, and crash protection that feels like a moving bunker. Number 2, Rolls-Royce Ghost. Elegance and safety. In one, reinforced body, advanced tech, and the ultimate comfort bubble. Number 1, Volvo XC90, the king of safety in 2025. Strong chassis, full suite of safety tech, pedestrian detection, collision avoidance, and the kind of build quality that screams, you won't die in this car. There you have it, folks. 30 of the safest cars you can buy in 2025. From everyday family sedans to armored executive vehicles, these rides prove that safety can be stylish, fun, and downright cool. Remember, don't just chase speed or style. Sometimes, survival is the best feature of all. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and tell me which of these cars you'd trust with your life first. Stay safe out there, literally.